Hi dentist, it's peace care. Pharmacology topic, anti-epileptic drugs. It is very important topic based upon the theory as well as fiber point of view. In this, classification and mechanism of action of phenytoin and valproic acid are very important. Before diving into topic, we must know what is epilepsy or seizure. Seizure in Hindi we say दौरा, जिसको कह देते हैं भी किसी को दौरा पड़ गया. It is of two types, as generalized seizure, which is whole over the body, or a partial seizure. Generalized seizure are of 5 types, as generalized tonic-clonic seizure, also called as grand mal epilepsy, and major epilepsy. It is the most common and it lasts for 1 or 2 minutes. Usual sequence of the generalized tonic-clonic seizure is there will be aura, that is separation from the environment, cry, and the patient will be unconscious. There is tonic spasm of all the body muscles followed by a jerky movements all around, and then after patient will fall into a prolonged sleep and there will be depression of all the CNS functions. Abscess seizure, also called as Pett-Mill epilepsy or minor epilepsy. It is prevalently seen in children and it lasts for nearly 30 seconds. In this, it seems that a child is looking to a point and not getting distracted towards others. Atonic seizure, also called as akinetic epilepsy. As the name indicates, akinetic, that means there will be no body movement. In this, the patient is unconscious and there is no body movement due to excessive inhibitory discharge, and that result in relaxation of all the body muscles, and in this case the patient may fall. Myoclonic seizure, there is shock-like momentary contraction of all the body muscles or of a limb. Last type of generalized seizure is infantile spasm or hyporhythmia. It is seen in infants and it is probably not a form of epilepsy. In this, there is intermittent muscle spasm and there is progressive mental deteriorations. Partial seizures, it is of 3 types, as simple partial seizure. It lasts for 30 to 60 seconds and it's often secondary, that is it is not idiopathic. In this, only particular group of muscles are involved or a particular sensory distribution by a nerve is involved depending upon the area of the cortex that is involved in the seizure, and especially in this there is no loss of consciousness. Complex partial seizures, in this patient have unordinary behavior and the behavior is mostly confused and there is purposeless movements and there will be emotional changes which last for 1 to 2 minutes and there is impairment of the consciousness. In this case there will be environmental separation, that is aura, and it is believed that, or it is said that, the seizure focus is located in the temporal region which cause this type of partial seizure. Simple partial or complex partial along with generalized seizure, that is secondarily generalized. In this, partial seizures occurs first, then it is followed by a generalized tonic-clonic seizure with loss of the consciousness. It must be noted that most of the cases of epilepsy are primary, that is idiopathic, and there are some secondary causes due to trauma or surgery on the head or any intracranial tumors or cerebral ischemia. Usually a 10-mark question comes on this topic, as classify anti-epileptic drugs and write mechanism of action and adverse effect of phenytoin. To obtain maximum marks, you will write 3 type of classifications, as chemical classification, that's right now on your screen, and it will be excellent if you represent the classification in a well organized tabular form. Second classification is based upon mechanism of action. It is of 3 types, as prolongation of sodium channel inactivation. It includes phenytoin, carbamazepine, valproate, etc. Second type is facilitation of GABA mediated chlorine channel opening. In this, barbiturate, phenobarbital and other will come. The last is inactivation of T type of calcium channels. Third type of classification is based upon the choice of anti-epileptic drug based upon the type of seizure. This is the table that you should remember. Now moving to particular drugs, starting with phenytoin. It is a hydantoin drug and it is a barbiturate analog which have a poor sedative property. It does not have CNS depressant action, but some sedation occur at the therapeutic doses and it does not increase further with increase in the dose. Pharmacokinetics: absorption is by the oral route and it's slow because of the poor aqueous solubility. The bioavailability of different market products may vary, and 80 to 90% of the drug is bound to plasma proteins. It is metabolized in liver by hydroxylation reaction which involves cytochrome P2C9 and 2C19 enzyme. It is also metabolized by glucuronide conjugation. Uses: phenytoin is a first line antiepileptic drug, but nowadays it is not used commonly because of its adverse effect and due to marginal overdose which can cause neurotoxicity. Indications: in generalized tonic-clonic seizure, simple partial seizure and complex partial seizures. Status epilepticus: in this it is used slowly IV injection. In trigeminal neuralgia, it is the second choice of drug to carbamazepine. Valproate can displace the phenytoin which is bound to the proteins and it decreases its metabolism. Phenytoin competitively inhibits warfarin metabolism. Phenytoin induces microsomal enzymes and can increase the degradation of steroids, etc. Effects in pregnancy: it causes cleft palate, cleft lip, hypoplastic nails and digits, embryopathic neurologic defect. Mnemonic for this is phen, which comes from phenytoin itself. As phenytoin is teratogenic, so it is not prescribed in pregnancy. Adverse effects of phenytoin: mnemonic for this is phenytoin itself, P for P450 interactions, H for hirsutism, hypertrophy, hyperglycemia, hypocalcemia, hypoplasia, hepatic necrosis and hypersensitivity, E for enlarged gums, N for nystagmus, Y for yellow browning of the skin, T for teratogenicity, O for osteomalacia, I for interactions of vitamin B12 metabolism, and at the end N for neuropathies, that is vertigo, ataxia and headache. Fosphenytoin: it is water soluble prodrug of phenytoin and it was introduced to overcome the difficulties in the IV administration of phenytoin, which it has replaced for use in status epilepticus. In body, it rarely converts to phenytoin and the dose is expressed in phenytoin equivalents. On IV administration, it causes less damage to the intima and only minor vascular complications occur, and it can be injected at faster rates. Only phenytoin cannot be injected in a drip of glucose solution because it gets precipitated, but fosphenytoin can be injected both with saline and glucose. Second drug is valproic acid, also called as sodium valproate. It is a branch chain aliphatic carboxylic acid with a broad spectrum anticonvulsant action. It is more potent in the blocking of PTZ seizures than in modifying maximum electrostroke. At anticonvulsant doses, it produces later sedation or other central effects. Mechanism of action: valproic acid acts by three mechanisms. First is the same as that of phenytoin, which is prolongation of sodium channel inactivation. Second is by weak alterations of the T side of calcium channels. Third is by facilitation of GABA mediated chlorine channel opening. Pharmacokinetics: oral absorption is good and it is 90% bound to plasma proteins. T half is 10 to 15 hours and it is anticonvulsant action is longer, and it is completely metabolized in liver by oxidation and glucuronide conjugation and excreted in the urine. Adverse effect of valproic acid: mnemonic for this is valproate. V for vomiting, A for alopecia, L for liver toxicity, P for pancreatitis and pancytopenia, R for retention of fat, that is weight gain, O for edema, A for appetite increase, T for tremor and thrombocytopenia, E for enzyme induction in liver. Gabapentin, it is a GABA derivative that crosses the brain and enhances the GABA release, but here we should note that it is not an antagonist to GABA receptor. Gabapentin and pregabalin exert a specific analogous effect neuropathic pain. It reduces seizure frequency in refractory partial seizure with or without generalization. Gabapentin is absorbed well orally and is excreted unchanged in the urine with a t-half of 6 hours. Side effects are mild sedation, tiredness, dizziness and unsteadiness. Pregabalin, it is a new congenitor of gabapentin and it have all the same properties as that of gabapentin. It is particularly used for neuropathic pain such as diabetic neuropathy, post-therapeutic neuralgia, complex regional pain syndrome and other certain type of chronic pains. Side effects, sedation occur but it is not prominent. There is poor concentration, rashes and allergic reactions. Treatment of epilepsies, anti-epileptic drugs are not the cure of the disorder but they just suppresses the seizure. Disease may be cured after years of successful control. Generally, when a seizure occurs, our first approach is to control the patient from harming himself. In this process, we should not control all the movements that is occurring, because if we start to control the movements, then there are chances that the patient will create more harm to himself. So, some general principles of therapy. There is first is the choice of drug and the dose, that is according to the type of seizure and according to the need of the particular patient or the particular individual. Second is initiation of the treatment should be early and the seizure should be diagnosed early. Third is the therapy should be simple as possible. And the last is all the drugs withdrawals should be gradual except in case of the toxicity. Choice of drug should be based upon the type of seizure. This is the table that tells about the first choice drugs, second and the alternatives. And last, the most important question that comes as a 5-mark short is treatment of status epilepticus. That's all. Thanks. Make sure to share the knowledge with your friends and keep supporting.